Okay, so amidst this love glitch season, I felt tempted to open this little page from my personal diary for you guys. When I was a teenager, I once went to meet this girl called Amira, and she just returned back from the US to settle back in India. To me, she felt like somebody really approachable, wise, and dependable. So we were a group of four teenage girls, and of course, the topic of discussion was love. Ira looked at each of us and asked, "So, what is it that you want in a relationship?" And we were all young, dreamy, and full of fantasies. Naturally, we did the easiest thing. We started making lists. So one of my friends had 50 things, another 40, and I had just about 32. I remember feeling like a failure, like my dreams were not big enough. Ira glanced at all the sheets. She asked us a single question. How will these things you want in your partner help you grow as a person? Silence. None of us had any answer. That day I understood things I carry till this date. And here is what they are. A real relationship is not about endless demands, it's about alignment. Because let's face it, you can't have meaningful communication, which is very important in a relationship, if you're standing on the first floor and he's living on the 10th floor. You don't have to compete with your partner, but you do need to be at par with him. Luxuries and gestures have their place. Food that you cook for him can be sourced from outside or as a service, and money that he gets home can be earned by you as well. And comfort can be outsourced. You have to be irreplaceable. Create what cannot be outsourced: your frequency, your shared foundation, your ability to grow together. So imagine a place where your power becomes his strength and his capability becomes your wings. And if you want him to treat you like a queen, you first need to create a palace like environment within yourself and your home. Women are creators. The energy we bring sets the tone for the relationship. And while you look at him as a provider, you can also look at him as someone's son, raised in different circumstances with different mindset, fighting battles you may never fully know of, just so that he can provide not only for you, but the family that raised him. Also, men process love differently, right? For them, small gestures often make biggest difference. And a truly happy relationship doesn't depend on what you receive. It thrives on what you create together. Instead of you waiting for someone to hand down the crown, build a kingdom for both of you to grow, thrive, and protect each other's light. Let me know, how did you like what I learned from Ira during my teenage? If you want to add more to my learning, please list them down so I can know. Thank you.